Hello, Birmingham Volunteers. This is Amber, your regional manager, and I am just sending you this video to kind of get you oriented to Canvas in case you haven't gotten to take a look at it. So if you'll go to the URL tealsk12.instructure.com/login/Canvas, and that link is also on your TEALS dashboard, then you will be able to log in there. If you have trouble logging in, please email me, and I can resend your invitation if necessary. So once you are logged in, the first time you log in, there will be an additional notification box up here that says you need to accept your invitation to the course. Go ahead and press that button, and then you can adjust your notification preferences as you like. To access the course, you just click on it here, and then when you are in, you should see the introduction section. This is just very simple. Update your profile, access the curriculum, and look at the classroom plan and begin working on it with your team. So most of you have started doing that. If you haven't, get in touch with your team and start working on that. It's very important, especially your teacher. Session one, this segment should only appear for the people who missed session one, but if it shows up and you were there, don't take offense. It doesn't hurt you in any way. But it's basically videos to show you what we went over, and then it gives you a chance to respond to it. So, for example, there's a section on working as a teaching team. You can watch the video and then scroll down and add your 2 cents, just a couple of sentences to let me know you watched it and, something you learned from it. So that is that. So that's all the different parts of that. Now, the last section is really important, pre-training session 2 homework. Our session 2 is on July 21st at Sanford in Russell Hall, room 311. So it's the same location as last time if you were there. And prior to that, the idea is that you would have all of this done. Now, lots of us have very busy lives. Some of you were added very late, so I understand if you don't get to all of it, that is okay. But it's a really good idea to get in there and at least look at the content. So one that is especially important is this Welcome to Snap. If you are teaching the intro course, which is most of you, then you will be needing to watch this video, especially if you've never used it before. It really just orients you to what the blocks do, where the different types of blocks are, and specifically at 7:05, you'll see information about saving and sharing Snap projects. This is really important for you to be able to submit your projects and then also for your students to submit them to you when you're teaching. So it culminates in the Pong project for the intro course. Now, if you're doing AP Computer Science Principles, it will be different, but this is for intro, which is most of my volunteers. And so this is a really good project to kind of bring all the different blocks that you use together to create the Pong game in Snap. So, you can work with your teammates, get on a Google Hangout or something, or get together, at a coffee shop, or you can do it by yourself. Either way, email me with questions, and I can do my best to help you with that. So all of these things here, like I say, we're expecting you to have done before you come to the training, but it's not a hard line. You're still in the program if you don't get to it. The main thing is to make sure you feel prepared to go into the classroom on August 6th or August 9th, whatever your start date is, and that you feel good about going into it because you know what's expected. Okay. So that's the main purpose behind this, and I just wanted to show it to you. Please email me with questions, amber@tealsk12.org. I'm also on the Slack channel a lot. And then, if you have any trouble with Canvas, any trouble with the assignments, and if you have trouble getting in touch with your team, please let me know. Any problems that crop up, I love to hear about them sooner rather than later. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on July 21st.